Hi everyone, a very good evening. I hope I'm all perfectly audible. Can you please say yes or no? Can you please acknowledge me with that? Hi, a very good evening. How are you doing? I hope everyone is doing all good with that, right? Come on, let me know, please. Let me know how we are doing it. Okay, am I audible? Can you please acknowledge that? A very good evening. Hi, Sangam Gaming. Hi, everyone. Got it. Okay. So I'm just starting with like what we had been doing it yesterday, correct? And I'll tell you like okay what we are just trying to make it today, and it's gonna be a beautiful outcome, right? Okay, got it. So I'm just waiting for another quick like okay 1 to 2 minutes. You can just let me know if you have any questions, anywhere you wanted to ask and all. Anything, anywhere you feel like okay, I have this kind of queries and all. Okay, I guess like okay we can just get it short, correct? Then we are going to move with your personal portfolio website, which is going to help you out with the help of Cursor.AI, right? What you have started yesterday at the end of the session, okay, and all, like it's all good to go with it, right? Okay, you can remain the entire kind of a folder like this, but I would say just make something which is being very good, okay, and required for you, right? Okay, so what we are just gonna do it is just have a look, okay, just waiting everyone to join it onto the quick minutes, correct? Okay, so that I would say like okay they doesn't miss, right? Okay, any sort of the commands, or the you can probably say the command prompt actually. I don't want like okay they also just going to get mess with any sort of the commands, okay, over here. I'll probably say like okay just 1 minute more, and then I'll be just starting with the today's agenda, right? How many of you are being excited to make your personal portfolio with the help of React, Node.js, Express, as well as connecting it with the databases, that's MongoDB? Let me know about it, like okay how much you are being interested to go with it. Come on. A very good evening, everyone. Good evening. Got it. So everyone, I'm looking forward, like okay you all are being interested to go with it. What you can probably do it is you can just make um, one folder, right? Okay, we can just typically make one folder. Let it just have one folder. We will write it. Okay, cd desktop. Okay, cd desktop and all, I'll write it, and then I'll be writing it okay over here. That's basically mkdir. If you're using the Windows you can use echo, okay, but if you're using this mkdir for the Mac it will work. Okay, I'll make it personal portfolio for smarted. Okay, if you wanted to make it like this, that's also good. If you wanted to make it like over here also, it's also good, right? Both of them will be sorted to make your project folder. Okay, if you wanted to just write okay command, have a look. Okay, we are making a personal portfolio now. Okay, as per like okay yesterday you told like we required something which is very useful, right? So I'll write one command okay over here also. Create a full stack project setup with React, for the front end, the React to be used for the front end, okay, and Node.js plus Express.js, okay, for the backend. Okay, for the backend mode. Now I'll also write one thing more, like, okay, please keep them into the separate folder. Okay, please keep them into the separate folders, which is going to be called, one of them is the front end and another one is going to be the backend. Okay, I'll give one more condition over here so that it takes a quick minutes, that add the Tailwind. Okay, add the Tailwind CSS into the front end, okay, for the styling purpose. Now obviously you're not gonna make the website, okay, just normal one, okay, you're gonna make the website which is actually required. And the third, the fourth step we are gonna make it, add please the MongoDB setup also, okay, MongoDB setup in the backend. It will just make a setup, rest we have to do it, the things, okay, for storing the contact information form pages, contact, you can write it for storing the contact for messages. Okay, the moment you're done with it, okay, you're gonna put it, okay, over here. I'll drop it this particular a message into your chat also, but I guess I need to do it into half and half way. Okay, so no problem, I'll do it that way. I just wanted, like, okay, you don't people, okay, mess that out. Sure, I'll do it Zoom. Okay, I hope that's okay now, right? Okay, it's Kushbu, right? I hope that's okay now. So it will make all the packages, it will make a self setup of all the full stack projects, whatever we are just required for, right? Okay, and this is generally we only use for the reason that, okay, how exactly you are trying to write it, okay, what exactly, like, okay, the condition is being there or it's being getting sorted. Now if you can see that it has already started it, confirm the edits, yes, accept it, okay, every single thing, okay, you need to accept it, because you could be wrong but your AI could not be wrong. Okay, I'll not say AI is like 100%ly, like, okay, it can't be wrong, but like, okay, 5-7% you also need to use your mind, okay, use your brain and all, like, okay, is it everything is good to go, or is it everything, like, okay, required and all, right? Okay, and so things, correct. Now you can see that, okay, every single thing npm run dev, okay, and all it's been running, right? But one mistake we did it, if you know it, okay, one mistake definitely we did it, and I'll tell you which mistake it is. I'll tell you, just have a second. Okay, the mistake what you did, attendance form you will get it very end, okay, when we are going to wrap up our class, okay, then you will get that, okay, not now. Attendance sheet, okay, you will definitely get, but it will be near about 9:10 and 9:15, okay, but do not wait for your attendance sheets, like whether I will be getting the attendance sheet or not, okay, don't do so, just focus on to what we are doing it right now, right? Just hold a minute. It takes a time, okay, it will definitely keep a time, keep every single thing, nothing to just use, okay. But the only condition you need to do it is open the project, okay, see where exactly it's being happening. So it is being happening over here, okay, open the project. So this is what it is being there, full stack React Express, okay, front end is being ready, and so thing, does not matter. Close this, close the cursor, okay, open the project. Go to your desktop. You made a file, right? Yesterday you made a file, right? Now you will be seeing like, okay, in anywhere you have some downloads and everything. Okay, it will work. Okay, it's okay if it is not there. What you can make it is go with the terminal, write it this personal portfolio and all. Okay, this is there onto the CD. Okay, that's it, nothing to use with more. Go for again the Cursor.Ai, open the project, go your desktop, personal portfolio smarted, open it, run the same commands which I've just given to you. Same commands you need to run it for what exactly I have given it, right? Now I will be just trying to write it, okay, the same lines. Create a full stack project setup, okay, so and so it, okay. Manage the project repo, okay, that's it. It will tell you in this folder, okay, there is a 2 folders more, that's in front end and the back end. Okay, soft nature, I will say just replace your email ID, that's it. Okay, nothing more than that. Just replace your email ID, the email ID you're using, okay, the prior of it, do not use that now. Okay, just replace your email ID, that's it. Okay, let it just make. Now you can see the very first project folder you got it as the front end. It's very good to go with it. Now you just need to wait for something that's in backend folder also. The Cursor.Ai is gonna make it. A very good evening, Sushmita. Let it just install the Tailwind now. In this, the point is that you need the patience. Now, if you see, the backend folder is also ready, right? So it will list some of like, okay, the conditions over here. So you can check the above commands I've given, okay, create a full stack project, okay, and all. Every single thing I've just given to you, okay. And now it is being setting your backend with the MongoDB, that's in database, okay. So these are the folder, these are the files, okay, that has been made with, okay, and these are the files which is being there on the front end side, okay. It's just planning with the next move. If you open this, there is a 6 to dos. Initializing the front end, okay, and all. Then it will create the React component, the pages, okay, into the contact form. It will initialize the backend, okay, express and all. It will add the mongoose and everything, post and all. So you can see a lot of things, okay, the AI is being doing a lot of things. Just an AI is being doing it, okay. So that means what? This is basically we can't stop it, okay, that you can't do this, okay, or you can't do it. It will just stop until or unless it maintains its own kind of the changes, just the own kind of the changes. If it maintains the own kind of the changes and everything, then only it will stop, okay, not before that. Right, let it just go with it. Still like, okay, it's been happening everything, okay, still now one change you can make it. Go to your settings, okay, this one, the settings are being there. Let it perform side by side, okay, you don't need to do anything else. Go to the settings, please, right? In the settings you have the chat, okay, default mode, you know, default location, editor, okay, where to open the new chats and everything, either on a pane or either onto your editors, right? That's good. Tab, yes, you can just enable this Cursor tab to auto enable it, correct? Yes, we require the backend, the Node.js and the Express for that. Okay, the suggestions, we are also gonna deploy it, okay. The white spaces, if you wanted to edit like, okay, new lines and everything or indentation, you can enable that, right? Now one thing you need to do, okay, over here is if you wanted to connect with some GitHub repos, that we will be doing it. Now let me just check, like, okay, there are some sort of changes, I'm just able to ask it. Now if everything is, whenever like, okay, the things are being happening, okay, it will ask you whether you wanted to keep or not. So make it sure, like, okay, you put it, okay, keep all, okay, keep all and everything, okay. So you can just probably go with, okay, over here, put it, go down also, there would be some of the changes and everything, and that's done, right? please run this project, front end and back end, and simultaneously we can make the changes. Okay, simultaneously. Now in the React, okay, the front end, the pages we required is the about page, the home page, the skills page, project pages would be there, and contact pages should be there, right? Okay, adding the nav bar to the navigating between them, making a design very kind of, I would say, navigating and responsive and all the due of it. Okay, that's more required. So click to focus. Okay, click to focus. Okay, it will ask you where to run. So it's saying to us that okay, on this local host your project is all running. Okay, now I'll show you that this is again, we will get this kind of an message, the dialog box, correct? It's okay, there is no sort of problem is there. Okay, there is no sort of this problem or anything like that. It's a blank page, we will be getting it, right? Now what is the next step, okay, of ours? Okay, we need to do it is, okay, just a minute. Now it will just give me an issue that there is a lazy loading because of like, okay, we haven't routed anything. Why we are just gonna get it? One is gonna be for your backend and one of them is basically for the front end. Just copy this, I would say this particular error. Just write it, solve this error and run it again. I'm not able to see any output. Okay, just go with that. The setup it is. Okay, so you can talk it, okay, into the normal language. You can definitely talk about your things. Okay, over here does not matter. Okay, let it just run it. Now it's saying to address this and this. Okay, you are not able to get it. It has made some sort of changes, right? Okay, now it will say that okay, these are the changes, okay, which is being maintained, okay, in these kinds of files, right? Okay, so click tick mark and accept it. That's it, right? Run every single thing whatever it's required. Okay, now it's saying like okay, this is this and that is basically there. Okay, now I'm able to see the certain sort of things. I'll delete it and I'll open it over here. Now you can see this personal portfolio, send me the message, hi, name and all. This is only the contact page. Okay, only the contact page is there, because if I'll say like okay, Anshika Gupta so and so, hi, and send the message, so request failed because right now we have not connected okay every single thing which is being required, but the things okay which is being sorted okay right now. Now the main thing which is being there, okay, the main thing which is being there, just have a look. The very next thing what we are just gonna write it is in the React, okay, front end code basically, okay, make a following pages. I wanted the home page, I want the about page, I want skills, okay, I need okay the projects, okay, I need experience, okay, I need professional I would say contact page also, and add the nav bar. Okay, add the nav bar between them to navigate. Okay, navigate between them. Okay, then you gonna write it, okay, make them design modern, responsive, so that it works everywhere, and professional using Tailwind CSS. Okay, write everything. Okay, and the moment you will write it, okay, and the moment, okay, these kinds of things, okay, you're gonna write it, it will already going to process your detailings. Okay, I'll send it to you also, just check your chat box. Okay, okay, you can see the 2 messages are being typically there. Okay, and that's good. Now if you see that, okay, it's every single thing, okay, it will say that, okay, first of all it will correct out some sort of issues, okay, whatever we have it and all, then it is just going to address that. Okay, because I have written that addressing of the logics we have, correct, okay, is being necessary. Okay, so we can't ignore it. Okay, so let it just get it fixed. It is just updating our detailings. We will go on to the stick marks, audit it. Okay, this is automatically pre-processing, running and all. That's good, right? Okay, and now once you go down, just check whatever the changes are being maintained. Again, go down with the home pages. But by the way, you will be able to see that, okay, every single thing is being pre-written. Okay, accept, skills are going to be there. Okay, skills are being done. Okay, then project section would be there, right? Okay, and so things. Definitely it's going to get it address for. Okay, now it's gonna be the experience.jsx. Okay, projects, okay, and all of these things. Contact.jsx. Okay, and so things. Basically it's required every single thing. And in the app.jsx it will update it, and four of them is being done, right? Okay, it will say like, okay, all 4 of them is being done, right? Now it will tell you like, okay, that this kind of things has been already being updated into your backend services also. I'm not sure that, okay, any single person is being writing, okay, even a single line of codes, okay, even a single line of codes. The only reason why I'm just saying it is, okay, it is not even required. Okay, now let's go back and reload and see a bit. Okay, now you can see this, that your page is being ready. My portfolio, you have about us page, you have skills page, you have project page, you have experience, and contact us form. Right now it's an incompleted. Okay, definitely I'll say this is I would say images folder and everything. It's an incomplete. Okay, that depends upon you whether you wanted to make a single page application and whether you wanted to make the double like, okay, a responsive and a get good. If you just see like, okay, is it a responsive, just right click over here and just write it inspect, open in any sort of mobile phones, iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone SE, iPad mini. Okay, open in anywhere. Okay, you will be able to see the responsive screen of your portfolio, that it says like, okay, every single thing is being sorted, right? Every single thing is kind of like, okay, what sorted, but I'm not liking it. Okay, I did not like this kind of the designs and everything. I'll say I'll simply write one command like, okay, in the about page, add a short introduction, okay, with the placeholder. Okay, or I would say already it is being done, but I will say photo placeholder, and in the skill pages display the skills with the progress bar. Or cards. Okay, styled with Tailwind, and make it look attractive and easy to read. Okay, and I want every page to look beautiful with the interactive way. Okay, I'll add one thing more. Add light and dark mode. Okay, add light and dark modes, right? Okay, just let's see. A lot of things I've given. Okay, a lot of things. So it will probably just go with like, okay, somewhat a bit of time and all. Just check. Just check the command. Okay, also. Please check your comments also. It's already being there. Okay. I just wanted to help you out that okay, you people don't being left behind. Okay, I don't want anyone over here is just going to leave behind of it. Okay, let's together build this. Okay, let's just together like okay go with it. Let it just happen, and it will just tell you like okay when to check the output. It will just have one thing, and it will just going to get it okay the sorted things as like okay why I'm looking forward, right? Okay, what exactly it is going to help me out. Okay, but once you see the output, okay, right now, okay, not right now exactly I will say, but once you see this kind of like okay the logics, okay, we are maintaining it. Okay, right now it won't be visible because it's all in progress, right? Start accepting it also. Okay, start accepting it also. At the last, typically it's gonna ask you like okay to accept everything, but still main theme context, which is going to help you out with light and the dark modes. Okay, the nav bar is already there. It will make all the changes, right? Typically it will add all the changes. Okay, at the last it's going to ask you like okay that do you require these kind of changes and everything. Okay, that where you be able to get it and all. Okay, every single thing would be there. Okay, let it run. It's gonna be a beautifully like okay I would say amazing it would be there. Okay, very good. Okay, let it just run it every single thing. You furtherly going to get it accepted. If you're not gonna get it accepted, it will automatically do it. Okay, now it will say completed the enhancement, keep all. I told you, right? Okay, it will ask you keep all and all the actions and everything, light and dark mode. A lot of things it has changed. Review the actions, go back and reload it. Now how beautifully your website is being looking, how beautifully like okay it's been looking. Okay, it has added the light and the dark mode also. Okay, it has added the light and dark mode, but it will take an action. Okay, right now it will say like okay make it an actionable and all. Okay, got it, not a problem. Now view the projects, it will take it okay onto the button. Contact me, it is again the button. Go with an about page. Now going with an about page, I'm passionate about the so and so things. Okay, with the expertise into the modern, I haven't drawn it, it's already auto connected. When I'm not coding, you will find me on the new technologies and get in touch with me. Okay, get in touch with me and view my work. Correct? Okay. Now here, how good? Okay, this is looking good, right? As an avatar. This is the avatar and this is a bouncing ball. Okay, it is a bouncing ball and all, which is just giving me extra indulgence. And this is the skills and the expertise, right? Okay, the tools I'm using it. These are just the skills I have, right? Okay, with the progress bars. Then with the categories, okay, we can furtherly like okay make the new changes also. It does not matter. Okay, proficiency, 85 proficiencies and 80%. Okay, the project, it has the tile effect, the featured project. Although we can apply the images, okay, over here we will make it images and everything, but whenever I'm just taking my mouse to this projectile, it is bouncing. Okay, it has an hover effect. We can make the still new changes. Okay, over here experiences, let's say. So it has written, okay, front-end developer. This is just a demo data it is taking. Okay, demo data. This is known as timeline. Okay, this is known as timelines and everything, which it takes everything. Okay, over here, and this is your contact form. Get in touch with me. Okay, hi, and send message, because I haven't applied the sending messaging property. Now I'll go back to my Cursor.Ai. Make all the buttons actionable. Okay, make all the button actionable, and please make all the pages a bit professional and good looking. The light and the dark mode is not working. Make it work. Okay, not working. Solve this. Okay, and make or add the more interactive things on the, I would say, home sections. That's it. Okay, I don't think so. Can we add our pics? Okay, yes, we can definitely. I'll show you, like, okay, where to add it. I'll show you, don't worry. Definitely, why not, I'll say. Just replace one command and it will just try to go with it. Okay, just replace one command and it will be right over there. Right, okay, let it work about it. This is all front end and the back end is similarly being going on. Okay, so sorry. Okay, it's still working. Okay with it. Now you can see this. Wow, it's looking amazing. It's looking very interactive. Have a look onto this. How is it looking? Tell me. I have a heart onto it. Okay, come on, put your reactions, please. How many of you liking this? Come on. How many of you liking this? Come on, everyone. Let me know, please. How about this? How about this? How is it looking? Please put your reactions. Please, everyone. How good is it looking? Come on, everyone. I just need to know about it. Right? Okay, into the comment section. Just put your comment onto this particular, I would say, chat. How is that looking? I need your response back. I just need your response. Still, it's being updating, but I would like to just have your responses. Come on, everyone, let me know how good it is looking. Very good. Okay. Perfect. Okay. So let's just move back and see, like, okay, everything is good to go or not. It is just fixing our, I would say, the light and the dark modes. Correct. It looks great. Correct, Pratham. Okay, good to go with it. No, Vijay, it should not ask you for the pro version. If it is asking you, okay, just replace the email id. Once you replace your email id, open the same project only. You don't need to put it, okay, everything from the starting now. Whatever you have done it, okay, you just need to drop your project. That's it. Amazing, ma'am Jitendra. Okay, good to go with it. So it will say that these all of the things, okay, has been maintained. Okay, every single thing has to be maintained. Let's just again reload it. How good it is looking. Okay, where there's like, okay, some bubble shape. This is an image of the laptop. I'm just getting it. Hi, I'm Anshika Gupta. React, okay, UI UX and all of it. Right, okay, it also says, okay, I craft beautifully performant web applications, correct? View my work. So now whenever I'm just clicking onto this view my work, I'm just getting towards what? The project section. I'm just going to be the project section. Get in touch with me. So I'm just being taken towards where? I'm just being taken towards your contact us page. Whether let's see, like, okay, is our the dark mode and the light mode is working? Yes, amazing, very good. Okay, very good it is, like, looking. I'm personally liking it, to be honest, if I'll say this particular entire website. So it's basically beautifully colors and combination has been there, right? Dark modes and the light modes are being there, right? Good with that, right? About it. So if I'll just go with the home page, it is basically have the social media icons also, right? Okay, it is just having the social media icons, GitHub, LinkedIn, and the mail id. We can just have this particularly all generated. It will take it either, it will take it, okay, either from your kind of the web application. Now if I'll say LinkedIn, if it is being signed up, okay, it will be taken towards that. So LinkedIn's and everything, it's already being there, right? Mail id is gonna be working, right? Okay, and all of these kind of things, it's particularly required, correct? Particularly it's being there, and it's amazing looking, it's very amazing. Yes, it can be more dynamic also. It can become, we will give a final touch also towards it. Okay, now if I'll say that, okay, about us page, I am being taken towards this, but I think in the about me page, I don't want these kinds of, like, okay, icons and all. Okay, I'll go with my about page. I will go my skills page. I think we should just change some sort of like skill page, okay, that we can make it more good. We have the project page and all, then experiences, okay, and the contact form. It's looking good. It's typically very good. The light modes and the dark modes, you can experience us into both. Okay, in both of them, it will be perfectly arranged, correct? Okay, now I'll say one thing. I need a new way of styling into a very professional way of skills as well as for the project pages, right? Okay, please redesign it. Okay, I just wanted to say, like, okay, please redesign it. Rest everything, it's more like it. Okay, it's more liking, right? Okay, over here it's particularly there. Perfect with that. Okay, let it just work onto it, and then I will be just running once again some backend sort of things. Okay, let it run. Okay, it is just changing the way, okay, to write it. It is just changing the way. In the Cursor.Ai, it is necessity that okay, you need to start with uh, a lot of patience. Okay, a lot of patience is there. Right? Hold a sec, a bit. Okay, so let it just run, and I think we are done to go with it, right? Okay, and I think we are all ready to see what we have, correct? Okay, perfectly. Just quick, like, okay, a few seconds more, and we are ready to go with it. Quick few seconds. Okay, now two of the files has been done, correct? Now what's next? Correct, the point comes what's next, right? It will just tell you like, okay, those things are being happened, that things are being happened. Okay, now you wanted to just go with like, okay, something very natural. Okay, very natural and everything, right? Now it will ask you keep all. Yes, keep all. Let's go back and see the changes we have. Let's reload it. Although it's an auto reload, to be honest, okay, you don't need to put it I would say kind of like, okay, pressing onto it and all the times and all. Okay, you don't need to put it. Okay, you will be just starting with, okay, reloadings and everything, which is already being there. Okay, once you go with the skill pages, now you can see this is the skill page you have. Whether you are a front end developer, whether you are like, okay, the back end developer, whether you are a DevOps, tools are being there, and design in the UX. 23 technology plus, you know, 4 of the categories you have mentioned it, 5 plus years of the experience you have, and 100% of the continuous learning, right? It will all add it. Like addition and deletions you can do it, okay, yourself, does not matter. Then you have a project page. This is the project page you have, okay. I wanted to keep it, okay, all like if I'll say the full stack project. Okay, I'll get to know that this is the full stack project I have made it, e-commerce website. Okay, these are the small introduction about it. Okay, these are the tools I have used it, and these are like, okay, the things, okay, I have, okay, code, live demo, and the details. In the details it will just make it the pop-up, okay. In the details it will just make it the pop-up. In the code it will just open this, but although you don't have any file, right? Okay, you need to just attach the link. Okay, if I'll say AIML, so I will be able to see it. In details I particularly get the pop-ups, right? And the collaboration in the fintech, in the IoT, in the CMS and everything, every single thing is gonna work according to that. And if you see and go within like, okay, dark mode and the light mode, every single thing is working very good. Okay, very nice. Okay, what you have been written the code so far, okay, the command so far, how is it? Okay, just let me know. The nav bar is all transparent. When you just scroll, okay, it's all transparent. Okay, this is all transparent. How is it? Let me know, please, everyone. How is it looking? Give me your viewpoints, please, everyone. Come on, everyone. Please give me your viewpoints. Right now, I guess like it's all good to go with it, right? Come on, everyone. Just let me know. Okay, perfect with that. Very good. Now, what are the next changes? Okay, we wanted to make. Okay, good to go with. I am really excited. Like, okay, you're liking it and all. Okay, I really like. Okay, I'm totally excited. Like, okay, you people are liking it, right? Attendance at the end. Okay, not now. Just now, when you move to the home page, when you move to the about page, get in touch, okay, view my work and all, it's all there, okay, view my work. So you can remove this. I'll say like, okay, remove the buttons, from the about us page and add something good which looks perfect. Okay, something like, okay, I'm just writing it normally. Okay, I'm just writing it like this. Okay, nothing more than that. Okay, tomorrow we have to go with backend APIs. Okay, we're gonna make some backend APIs. We will be connecting the backend APIs to the front end. Okay, and all of these things, okay, which is being typically there. And on the last day, like on Monday, we will make some deployments. We will make some animations for the cards, clean fonts and everything would be there. Okay, which is like, okay, gonna typically look good. Check it. So let it just go with it, and it will add some sort of your values and everything, right? Now let's go keep all. Let's reload it. Now if you see about me page, the buttons are not there, right? It has made it some values, my values, like I'm innovative, I'm like, okay, having the quality, I have the collaboration, and I have the growth. So it has a time, okay, each time it will take it the new color of the tile, okay. By the numbers, any sort of experience I have, projects I've completed, and client satisfaction, available 24/7, right? Okay, and my philosophy, whatever, like, okay, this quotation you can write it anyhow, any quotation, okay, you can write it. But when you see this particular image, it's already getting it pop up, and this is basically getting it revolve, right? Okay, this is being getting it revolve and getting it bouncy and everything, right? Okay, now if you go with an about us page, this is something else, right? Okay, over here. Now depends upon you, like, okay, how you wanted to make it, correct? Depends upon you what you exactly need to write it. Now I will be just trying to get it done. I will be just trying to make it one thing last onto it as in the contact page. I have already created the fields like name, email IDs, okay, and all. Now let's say this is like, okay, what it has been looking. This is being there. Let's connect. I have this phone number, email ID, and the location, so and so things. But I have given as an of like get in touch with me. Now what if someone like, okay, if I'll write it this way, send message, I wanted a proper kind of the image, the proper kind of like, okay, this sort of the contact us page to get it onto saving the contact form messages to the MongoDB, right? Okay, so for that we need to put it some sort of an APIs and all. One thing you can do it, okay, over here, add the validation. Let's say if someone did not give the message, okay, or let's say message is not required, if someone just did not give the email ID and send the message, okay, I wanted, it's already applied, okay, onto the email ID. But if you see this one, please fill your email ID, correct? Now it is just telling you like what, it is just telling you like, okay, it is not gonna get it accepted until or unless you make it really good. In the experiences also you can write it, okay, make a professional experience page with creativity. I don't think so, like, okay, any I would say these kinds of codes you have ever wrote it. No, these all the pages and everything is been written by whom? It has all been written by the Cursor.Ai. The AI is being writing these kinds of codes for you. The about.jsx, okay, skulls.jsx, right? app.jsx, theme provider is there, right? Okay, over here. So to every page the theme provider is going to be getting it acceptable. Index.css, main.jsx is there, right? Okay, and so things, the backend is also going to get it applicable for what you are writing it. So this is the backend, okay, In the backend, every code is being writing it over here, the server.js. Every single code is being applicable to the server.js. Okay. Right, now let's reload it once again. Let it just make it. Okay. Let it just run. Just a minute. Okay. So this is what, not right now, the reviews and all. Okay, let it just have it. A bit of like, okay, more we required. Still we can make it okay, pretty good more. Okay, I would say if not less then more, so definitely. Okay, let it just run it, that's it, nothing more than that to be sorted. Okay, just last few lines are being there. Okay, then we are sorted. Let's see, like, okay, with the help of reloading it. Just few of the more lines, that's it, not more than that. If it takes more time, it's okay. It depends onto it. Okay. Now this is what it looks good. The professional way, the timeline. Okay, it includes the timeline designs with the gradient timeline. Some animations are being there, performance matrices, and the user interfaces. Now, if you just go with this is how it looks like. The senior full stack web developer, it will just pop up. Okay, the companies I have worked against, so and so. Right now, it looks very, very concise kind of a thing, right? Okay, but if I'll just go with it, okay, over here, it will give me entire thing, what I've built and what are my key achievements, okay, the technologies I've used it. Okay, so now it is basically getting it flowed. Okay, same with this. Okay, same below also. There is skill evaluations. Okay, but I would be deleting this. Okay, not required, please delete. Okay, this particular way, the skills as well as career highlights. Okay, it's already there into the page, so not required. Delete and career highlights. From experience page. Okay, I don't require, rest everything is fine. Every single thing is being okay. I'm literally liking it. Rest everything I'm liking it. Okay, if you wanted to make it a bit compact also, okay, you can make it compact. Or if you want it somewhat different way, you can make it according to your wish list. Like, okay, I'm not going to just go with just the point that's majorly required. Let it run. Here you have the feedback form also, an attendance sheet actually, not feedback but attendance sheet. Not like this. So this is the attendance sheet. Okay, what you have. But before filling this attendance sheet, okay, let me just tell you one thing. Okay, there is a campus ambassador form. Okay, so you can fill this. We are in the smarted. Okay, we are being hiring for the campus ambassadors. Okay, the serious campus ambassadors, right? Yes, I'm sending it to you. I've already pinned. Okay, I made it pin. Just check the pin comment. Okay, of it. So this is like, okay, we are at the smarted. We are hiring for the campus ambassador. You can earn the stipend up to 15,000 rupees. Okay, free courses and everything for the 5,500 rupees. The LOR, okay, the placement with the smarted, and you can earn a bit. I would say very much as comparison to the other things, right? Okay, if you're interested, you can fill it yes, and you can scan this QR code. Okay, and you can take a bit of the time. Please go with the serious answers, yes, okay, and all. Okay, so you can go with this, and then you can scan this. Okay, and similarly you can put it the same way, which is being there your points and everything. So today the agenda, you already did it yesterday. You had the front end with the React and the Tailwind CSS. We did it today also. We had made it, okay, the backend development with the Node.js and the Express, okay, which is we have connected it. Tomorrow we are just gonna go with your database integrations. But before the database integration, we will just make sure that, okay, we have the proper authentications and full stack integrations are being there, right? Let me just reload it and see if it is good to go with it. Yes, it's good to go with it. Okay, I'm liking it. Depends upon you, howsoever you wanted to write it. It's just the gapping also. Gapping, padding, spacing in the experience page. Okay, the last step we are just gonna make it, not more than that. And please fill this form. Okay, and also you can earn around, I would say, more than like 15,000 plus rupees, okay, being the campus ambassador. Okay, you can I would say boost this smarted onto your campuses. You can boost basically like, okay, to among your friends. Okay, you will earn the rewards. Okay, you will be working closely with the smarted, and you will definitely see the explorations of your growth, what you're gonna make it. Definitely yes, a worth kind of it, I would say. Okay, let's move back. I would say it will just say like, okay, what is this 96%? Actually it is 96% is context what is being used. Okay, it is only the context what you have already being used. Okay, let it run slowly, whatever it makes a sense. And here you go. The final is this one, you have to make it. The final step what you have is this. This is the website which is all good. Every sort of codes and everything, okay, you can probably see into your project folders. Okay, open that. The project folders. This is what you made your project. Front end is there. Then you have the back end. Okay, this is all project oriented. If you wanted to open this onto your like, okay, VS Code also, you're most welcome to do so too. Okay, you can open to the VS Code too. Okay, to see what exactly it's looking. Okay, this is how your VS Code will be representing. This is the code what you haven't wrote it. Okay, neither you have written even a single line of code and all. Everything AI has done. This is everything which your project is having. Assets, components, what it makes, okay, that's reusable. Context, that's in theme component, light mode and the dark mode, and these are the pages you have made it. about, contact, experience, home, project, skills, and so and so things. Okay, these are the assets, the components you have, the pages. Okay, and the from where exactly the front end is working is the app.jsx. These are the pages. Okay, these are the pages we have, right? But we are not here for your VS Code, we are for the Cursor.ai. Okay, and it has all made the changes. Let me just go with that, keep all, and see the output what I have. Reload it, and if you just see within experience, okay, it will say that okay, these are the things, okay, it has changed, and it's looking good. See, it is not like it looking very messy or anything like that. It is something, it's in timeline, it is known as a timeline and all. We can make some changes. Where's the data stored? Okay, data is stored into the MongoDB. The backend, we will trigger the APIs tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow we will make the APIs and everything to render it for the about me pages. Okay, we will just go with an about me pages. We will make for the skills pages some APIs and everything. We will make for the project pages, experience page, contact form. We will submit it into the MongoDB and send an email notification using the node mailer. Okay, we will also make an API for your contact form also. And then we will finally give it a resume download button, the backend, where we are gonna store the I would say this resume. Okay, at the backend we will be like storing it and all. That's good, right? Any questions, let me know. Thank you everyone, take care, bye bye, have a nice day. This is what you are gonna make it. Okay, you have made it, but now you're gonna be tomorrow a step ahead. How was it? I hope it was all good, right? I hope it was all good, right? Okay then, thank you everyone, take care, bye bye, have a nice day. Thanks a lot, everyone. Thank you, have a good day, bye bye. I hope it was good, even, right? Have a good day, bye bye. Thanks a lot. Please do not forget to subscribe this channel, the Smarted channel. Okay, get it notified about every bootcamp sensations and all. And please fill your, I would say, the attendance sheets. Okay, follow for to know more. Okay, I would say thank you guys. Thank you, have a good day, bye. Thank you, Pratham. Great, same to share about it. I hope it was a very great session. Thank you guys, have a good day, bye bye.